Prior to installing any water heater, reference all applicable national, local, and building codes and regulations. In most cases, high amperage and voltage is used to power the heaters. Serious personal injury or property damage can occur if the installation is not performed properly. In this video, we will be going over how to install AccuMix 2 units. In the box, you will see the heater, the installation guide and owner's manual, the product registration card to be submitted to Eemax, a copy of the warranty, extra labels, and aerators. Before starting the installation, read the installation guide and owner's manual for the product. This video is not designed to replace the provided guide, but to supplement it. To start, pick the location to install the AccuMix 2 unit. The unit can be installed in any orientation, and the recommended service clearance is 8 inches from the end opposite the fittings. To begin, remove the cover screws. Then remove the cover of the unit. For a shorter time to temperature, mount the heater as close to the point of use as possible. Put the heater into position and secure it with appropriate fasteners. There are some notes to review before plumbing the heater. Flush the source line to clear debris. This is especially important on new construction projects. The heater is supplied with 3/8-inch brass compression fittings that are compatible with either copper or plastic pipes. Full flow ball valves are required by code at inlet and are recommended at the outlet for optimal heater performance. Connect your water source line to the inlet fitting. Then, connect the hot water feed line to the outlet fitting. The inlet and outlet are marked on every Eemax unit, and these connections cannot be reversed. To finish plumbing the unit, turn on the hot water fixtures and allow water to run for a minimum of 60 seconds and until water flow is continuous and free of air pockets. Install flow regulating aerators on the faucet if necessary. Before starting the electrical installation, review the electrical specifications and ensure that all power is off. Install electrical wiring and make internal connection to heater as required. You must use the appropriate wiring for your specific unit. Use the appropriate strain relief fitting. The ground lead is to be secured to the GND connector on the block or the green ground wire with the provided wire nut. Check the electrical connections to make sure they're correct and that all wire connections are tight and secure. Also, confirm that the correct breaker size and wire gauge has been used. Leave circuit breaker off as we go to the next step. To commission the heater, check that the inlet and outlet ball valves are fully open. Then turn on hot water fixtures. With water running through the unit, turn on the circuit breaker. With the water still running, the heater will go through the 60-second startup and self-calibration procedure. After the countdown is complete, the display will show the unit set point. The heater is now commissioned. Replace the cover.